Got it? Okay, guys, I want to show how I take the picture of both hands. So Josie's using my phone to record me using her phone. So I have her phone set up on this little plastic tripod thing. But if you don't have this, it doesn't matter. You can use something else. I'm sure of it. I don't necessarily know what. Water bottle? Maybe? I don't know. Something. Prop your phone up. That's the moral of this story. Prop your phone up. You got your picture taking, you got your camera part open, and then you want to open the timer, and this one is a 3-second timer. So I'm going to put one hand here to get myself, you know, where I want to be placed. I'm using just a black cardstock as my background, but you could use any piece of like craft paper, cardstock, whatever, or you could use your bingo card if you're working on a square. And then I'm going to show this here. I'm going to hit the photo button. Now I've got 3 seconds to get my other hand in there. And then just like that, there's my picture. Then I can crop it down, do whatever I need to do to make it be, you know, what I want it to be. But that way you can do both hands. You could do, you know, both hands like this, whatever suits you. Hopefully that helps.